November the 9th. Daddy's little Caitlin. Telling him a story.
Yep. Alright. Not quite sure about the video.
Thinking about what I hear. Aww. She slow blinked you. Oh.
Oh, hello.
Yay.
3 pounds, 4 ounces, right?
4 ounces.
Mm.
It's getting a feeding.
She just got up to 28 mLs? 28?
Yes.
Someone answer me.
I don't know what you're saying.
In 45 minutes, Scott forgot to put his phone on vibrate.
Oh my gosh, she's mad at you.
Sorry. The phone is ringing.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Hey, you. Nice, sweetheart.
Hey, Dad.